There is a big myth in digital marketing. Paid ads always guarantee results. Sounds convincing, right? But here is the truth. They do not. And here is why. Myth. If you are spending money, you will automatically get leads or sales. Reality. Paid ads amplify your message. But if your offer, audience, or content is weak, you will just pay to show people a problem, not a solution. Paid ads fail when you target the wrong audience. If you are showing a product meant for professionals to teenagers, or promoting local services to people outside your city, your results will drop instantly. Even great targeting will not help if your landing page is not optimized. Slow load times, confusing design, or unclear calls to action can kill your conversions, no matter how much you spend. Successful marketers know one thing: paid ads are not magic, they are data-driven experiments. You need testing, optimization, and constantly improving your creatives. When done right, with the right audience, strong creatives, and a clear value proposition, paid ads can deliver amazing results, but they never guarantee success by default. So remember, it is not about how much you spend, it is about how smart your strategy is.